Larry Kudlow says the Trump trade on Wall Street is predicting a blue collar boom for the economy. What have I been saying, y'all? What I've been saying? Trump is gonna fix this economy, and he's gonna. And the working class, the blue collar workers in particular, are gonna see, gonna have more money, I should say, in their pockets because he's gonna fix inflation, bring the cost of things back down. Businesses are gonna be thriving and paying their workers more. So even Wall Street is seeing it and predicting it. So we're gonna play the clip. We're gonna talk about it. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, share this out so we can get this information out there. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that alarm bell so you know when I'm putting out new stuff. Also, check out my link tree in the description. It has a link to my Patreon. That's where I talk about things that I can't talk about here. There's also a link to my Instagram and my X account, so follow me there as well. All right, so let's get into this news. Now, this comes from Fox Business from the great Larry Kudlow, and he. Let's get right into this clip. Here we go.
Folks, there's a blue-collar boom out there, and that's what investors are telling us, and that's the subject of the riff. So the Trump trade on Wall Street is predicting a blue-collar boom for the economy. Since election night, Dow Jones is up over 2,000 points, including over 500 bucks earlier today. In fact, the 1,500-point Dow rise on the day after the election was the single largest daily gain in history. And the rally is not just about NVIDIA and the big tech stocks. It's spread to banks and industrials like Caterpillar and small caps in the Russell 2000. And let's not forget that the Trump trade includes the spectacular aforementioned rally in Bitcoin, which, hold on, has gone up 43% or
Crazy.
$30,000 since the election 15 days ago. Mr. Trump has styled himself a cryptocurrency aficionado. He's even talking about a crypto czar in the White House. And
I love it.
widespread use of cryptocurrency will provide competition for the excess money created by the Federal Reserve. Very much like Nobelist Friedrich Hayek's idea of competing currencies. The Fed hates it, so it must be a good idea.
Right.
The Trump trade is also a good bet that he will keep his promises to produce vastly more energy, especially liquid gold. Trump tax cuts 2.0, massive deregulation.
Yeah, talking about energy, Trump talked about bringing back that Keystone pipeline to pipe that stuff out into Canada, and we can make more money, and that'll be able to lower, and that'll also lower the cost of oil because we'll be pumping more. Like, I mean, so many benefits to a Trump administration.
Budget cuts from Elon and Vivek, and a sound king dollar. And yes, he will protect American business from unfair trading practices using tariffs as a crucial negotiating tool. It could well be a new golden era for the economy and the nation as a whole. Hopefully, the tax.
Hold on, unless this World War III gets even hotter. We know that Biden is pushing us towards World War III. I think he's trying to lead a White House a mess for Trump to clean up because he even Biden know that Trump policies is going to be successful and really help Americans. I think Biden is setting the house on fire before he leaves.
Cut package will be the very first order of business on the legislative calendar. In order to cement his expanding coalition of working folks of all races and ethnicities, Mr. Trump must quickly restore take-home pay. Real median wages, adjusted for inflation, fell during the Biden years,
Hmm.
and along with spiking prices, sunk Kamala Harris in the election. Hopefully, lower energy prices will keep inflation down, while tax and regulatory reductions will boost businesses and profits and jobs and blue-collar pay.
Right.
Putting tax cuts first is going to be very important. And then, side by side with tax cuts, comes the regulatory revolution led by Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy. They're going to be using recent Supreme Court decisions and working with the White House Office of Management and Budget. The DOGE Commission will chop down federal regulations, chop down the size of the federal bureaucracy, chop down the bloated federal budget, and chop down a lot of money that's been authorized but never spent.
I'm
And
all
it
for
turns
it.
out, Senator Rand Paul told us this last night, You only need 51 votes in the Senate to rescind certain types of spending and any number of regulations. What fun. The Trump trade and the blue collar boom. Me, I'd call all that pure gold. And that's
Facts.
the riff.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Um, uh, like I said, barring Biden setting the house on fire before he leave, I think this economy is going to be booming. I see great success in our future. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Leave your comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out jjthepsychotherapist.com for the latest in news. Until next time, peace.